Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is security control. Data security deals with the security or sharing setting of data and visibility between users across the organization. Salesforce provides a comprehensive and flexible data security model to secure data at different levels. In Salesforce, data is stored in three key constructors to secure access on object, field, and record. There is object level security similar to table in database while we are referring with SQL, MySQL, Oracle database. So object is similar to table. Field level security similar to columns in table. Record level security similar to rows in table. Data security model in Salesforce is object level security, field level security, record level security. This is further divided into OWD, that is baseline of access, rule hierarchy, sharing rules, further again divided into owner based sharing, criteria based sharing, then manual sharing. Finally, we are seeing Apex based sharing. This is the sharing uh, we can do with writing the code. Apart from this, all the sharing rules are uh, only we can do with configuration. Navigation for sharing settings, setup, settings, security, sharing settings. So let's log into our Salesforce account to see the navigation. So how we are going to see object level security, field level security, and record level security. So object level security, we can restrict the object level security by clicking on the profile. So expand the user, click profiles. So we had created a profile, system administrator new. So click on this particular profile. If all we need to restrict a user who is using this profile for a particular object, so we can restrict from here while clicking on edit button. So here is tab setting. We have to go in the object header. So here we are seeing the standard object permission. Below that we are going to see custom object permissions. Custom object permissions. So if all we need to restrict a particular user who is using this profile, so what access we are going to provide by checking this read, create, edit, delete, view all and modify all. So all if we need to hide this particular course object for a particular user who is using this profile, system administrator new. So while unchecking this all checkboxes, read, write, edit, delete, view all and modify all, user will not be able to access this particular object. Again, for the field level access, we need to go at particular object, fields and relationship. Which field I don't want to see a particular user. So on that particular field, So if all I need to hide this subject field, so we have to go with view field accessibility. Choose the field subject and to whom, to system administrator new profile, click edit, and from here we are going to uncheck this visible checkbox, so the user who is using this profile will not be able to view this particular field. So finally, on the records, there is also so many options to share the particular record or hide that particular record. So for that, uh, we are going to see setup, under settings, security, under that sharing settings. So if all I need to hide a particular object student from the other users, so simply I have to click on edit button and make the internal default access is private. So in this case, the person who is created that particular record, he can view, edit, delete the records, and the next user will not be able to see that particular record. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.